Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we'll explore the powerful Lookup Options feature, which allows you to change the behavior of lookup fields, integrating custom Apex classes, managing record creation, setting default values, and more. Let's get started. We'll begin by performing an inline edit to review the default lookup. Click Inline Edit. Now, let's try editing the account ID. As you can see, by default, only 5 records are displayed. Let's start the configuration. Click Config Wiz. Then, select Advanced. Scroll down until you reach the Lookup Options section. Let's take a closer look at Lookup Options config. Here, you define the title field. And also we can define the subtitle. But for now we will skip it. And of course, you can define additional default values if needed. Once you've finished all your customizations, copy the configuration. Back to the Config Wiz. Paste the config. Click Save to apply the changes. Let's test it again. Click Inline Component. Now, you can see we're able to fetch 15 records. Let's try to create a new record. Notice that the default values we configured earlier is already set. That's it. Thank you for watching.